This is our video summary of how our experiment went. We sought out to find how effective different water filtration methods are at removing ARGs from water samples sourced from the Susquehanna River. We tested a total of 4 different filtration methods. A Brita water filter, which we would show you a clip of, but we kind of forgot to record this part, but it looked like this one, a little bluer. We then treated another sample with the UV light SteriPen, which looks kind of cool. It's kind of like a tiny lightsaber. An iodine water purification tablet, and a Sawyer brand Camp nanopore filter. And of course we need a control group, so we did a non-treated sample. And here you can see all the different samples. We then set up the DN Easy Power Water Kit, which we used to extract all the organic material remaining after the water had been filtered in each sample. Once we'd done this for each of our water samples, we then moved on to the DNA extraction process. Once we removed everything except for the genetic material, we then tested it for its concentration and purity. We then moved on to the next part of our experiment, which is the gel electrophoresis and the PCR and qPCR. And here is us preparing for our experiments by setting up each of our samples with different primers and preparing our experiments. Here we are finishing the gel electrophoresis. On the second to last class, we finished by setting up the qPCRs and letting them go for the next 2 hours as we were excited to find out our results next time we came back. Little did we know how badly we messed up. When we got our results back, we found out that all of our filtration methods actually had more ARGs in it than the initial non-treated group. We believe this was due to a few mistakes on our part during our experiment, which ended up corrupting our results. Unfortunately, we weren't able to correct any of our mistakes as we were under a time restraint. Luckily, we did have a large mega group all doing this experiment, so we had a large collection of data in order to weed out some outliers like our experiment found. And through the overall large metadata we had, we found that the Sawyer filter was the most effective at removing ARGs from the water. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.